don't sit on me.
I cannot.
Claudine Barreto, kahit na napaka-busy sa kanyang trabaho, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang taping bilang isang artista, pag uwi ng bahay ay isa naman siyang nanay. Talagang very hands-on siya pagdating sa kanyang mga anak, lalong-lalo na ngayon na sila ay may mga sakit. Kaya naman talagang hinihilot mabuti ni Claudine ang anak. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
Anybody here? Without face it.
No, no, no.
I'll just.
Mom said don't face it to me, bro.
Ate, then you put Dix yung Dex na. Hi! Hi everybody! Good evening. We're all under the weather. Feeling under the weather. I'm the masahista of Sabina of Ate now. Say, Noah, if it goes to your eyes, Q, come. Can you wash your brother's hand? Can you scrub it? Kasi nagput siya ng Vicks. Ng Vaporub. So healing hands
Not watching.
of the mama.
Not watching.
Ayun, anak, oh. Meron,
Where?
oh. Turn on the aircon na. Healing hands. Ate
Hello,
feels good.
hands.
Shh. Oh, the fever, the cold will go to mommy. No, will go away. Go out the window.
How do we
Who's the best masahista? Me or si ate? Ano?
come with me?
Ate Maricel or me?
I'll find
Ate.
you in live. Both?
Both? Not mommy? But she doesn't have healing hands like a mother does.
No.
Oh, awi ba?
Sobrang mapagmahal na nanay talaga itong si Claudine Barreto at wala ka masasabi bilang isang ina dahil ginagampanan niya talaga lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Talagang kahit nga pagod at kailangan magpahinga mula sa trabaho ay inuuna niya ang pag-aalaga sa mga bata.
The next? Who's next? Oh, no, wait pa. Natin finish pa. Why are you scared? Okay, yeah. Hello po. Good evening po. Galing kami sa TBL. Nagpa-drip po because we're not feeling well. But, Sabina, don't go to school tomorrow na. Si ate's not feeling well na. Okay, now put sa chest. What's that? Like that?
Huh?
The pa end. What's that? Harap. Harap.
What's live?
So, of course, Vicks.
What's live?
Vicks, and
You can't
then
find it.
healing
can't find
hands.
I'm looking for
The
live.
mommy is taking
can't
care of
find
the
it.
baby. Oh. You don't want too much, you know.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, you know.
That's AI.
AI, what's AI? No. What? Did you turn on the aircon, Priya? Q? Did you turn on, close the door? Close the door.
Oh.
No. Which
Oh,
door?
shush, Mom.
Okay. Hawi ba? The door to the microwave. What is wrong with you?
Wait, I'll give you the stress ball.
Oh, the stress ball, ate. From TBL.
Here.
Oh.
Here you go.
That's not the stress ball, love. That's
No,
slime.
it's the
Imbis na kumuha ng taga-masahe ay siya mismo talaga ang nagmamasahe sa mga anak niya personally. Dahil iba raw talaga ang alagang ina. Kaya naman talagang chinatsaga ni Claudine ito at binabantayan ang paggaling ng kanilang mga anak.
Baby, can you show them that we're gonna do ate? Hi, Ate Steph! Wala nang nails. O, isa na lang natira. Okay lang, may pictorial ako sa Ashton bukas. Wala akong, continuity. Wala naman, I miss you, Ate Steph. The Stephanie. Dichoso. Hi, Sheila. Ate Sheila ba yun? Ate Sheila? Kay Kina TBL? Parang hindi tayo nakita kanina. LB Paraiso. Hi. Kasama ko si Mom Shit, si Pop Shit ko. Shout out to my daughter Yami. Where are you, anak? We're not seeing. No, feet na ate. Come. You want me to cut your nails?
Well,
Hmm?
I'm feeling better already.
Why? What's the connection?
Huh? You're not supposed to cut me as a live.
Oh, that's not true, baby. When did you become
Also,
Magpamahiin. And then, so that mawala yung cough and you put Vicks sa feet and then healing hands. So I have three clients tonight. Noah, Kea, yeah, and ano.
My face?
And Santino. No, not your face. You put Vicks on your face. Why? No, it's Calmoseptin on your face.
Am I white?
Pink. Pink. You're pink. Hi, Jocelina de los Reyes po.
Don't scratch.
So, kanina, nag-TBL po kami. Nag-drip ako, vitamin drip. It took so much. Like, siguro ilang beses ako nilagyan ng ano. Ayaw talaga pumasok ng needle. Para sa vitamin C and B drip. Ng TBL at Apex. I feel better now because of that. And of course, Vicks Vapor Rub. Hindi ko in-endorse pero talaga alam naman natin na ma-Vicks ako. Pati inhaler. Where's my inhaler? See? Cannot live without this. Ganun na yung mamshi ko. Tsaka si Papshi. Mickey at si Amor. Cannot be without inhaler. Where's you want the for the nasal thing? Q? You want to put on your nose? Nasal. It didn't work on you? It worked on me. I fell asleep right away. Yeah, how do you know? You weren't even here. What are you talking about? Baby, it's 11 o'clock and you're gonna eat, ano, sige. What drink water? Where's your water? Mamam ka muna. And then we ate chicken, Bacolod chicken, inasal. It's the same. I cannot, ate daw, ate help. Throw it. Not on your face. Yes, very good.
You should have brought me chicken.
Sarap.
Hello, fans.
Hello, fans. Hello, fans. Hello, friends. Hello, friends.
What do you say?
You're welcome. What do you say, ate?
Huh?
What do you say? Sabina's not feeling well also. So, lahat po ng who's not feeling well, no? Talagang nasa uso talaga ngayon yung sakit, no? Okay. Baby, give me your slippers, your socks now. Can you smell it, sweet? Chichas. Chichas, sab. Chichas. Santino naman madaling araw magpapamassage yan sa akin. Mama, mommy, papa baby, he'll tuck me in at night. Somebody doesn't like sleeping na with the mommy kasi big boy na daw siya. Sino kaya yun? Iwaning me at night. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Q. Wait. No, why? You didn't put a towel. You're eating on the bed. You make pag-pag. Huh? Uy. You just changed the sheets. Well, let's watch Toy ba to? Toy ba to? Yan. There. Ala. 19. Nanood po kayo ng Totoy ba to? Hi, Maria, Rudel, Lynn, Abing, Daisy King, Anche Bautista, Jay Raval, Nadine Burrat. Yan, baby!